Cartesian plane. 90 minus theta, 90 plus theta, or 180 minus theta, 180 plus theta, and 360 minus theta. So this is what I wanted to clarify. Then see, all students take coffee. All students took a lot of coffee. I'm not going to explain this. I assume we all know how this works. So what is the meaning of this one? Let's talk about it a little bit. So thanks for joining, guys. What is this A implying? Let's just deal with this, and let me just label cast. Okay, cast diagram. Yeah. Woo. Yeah. Please like, share, and follow. So guys, what is this A implying? Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. This implies that all trig ratios are positive, right? All trig ratios are positive. So what about the S? I want us to reach an agreement. Then we are ready to solve the question. I want us to reach an agreement so that we are all ready to solve the question. So what is S implying? Sine is only positive, or the only trig ratio. Okay, yeah, correct. Sine is positive. Sine is positive on the second quadrant. Ne? Sine is positive on the second quadrant. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Now let's talk about T. What is T implying? Thank you very much. Yes, P.O. welcome back, my friend. Thanks for your consistency. What is T implying? What is T implying? Please like, share, and follow. What is T implying? What is T implying? Tan, or okay, tan is positive. Yes, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Only tan is positive. So what is C implying? What is the implication of C? Let's talk about C. What is C implying? What is C implying? Yes, cause is positive. Cause is positive. Thank you very much. So let's talk a little bit. Let's jog our minds. Ne? We are jogging our minds now. What is okay? What is sine 90 minus theta equivalent to? What is 90 minus theta equivalent to? Okay, I see you. One delay. What is this? Can I get a confirmation of the answer of one delay? Yes, it's going to be cos theta, ne? Hey, this one is going to be cos theta. Hey, I'm going to prove this, ne? I'm going to prove this in a simple term, ne? In simple terms. So let's suppose that we have a triangle, ne? A triangle like this, and we have theta, and we have our 90 like that, and I have my y, and I have my x, and I have my r, and I have my a, b, and c. So how can we calculate c? What is the value of c? What is the value of c? What is the value of c? I want to prove this, ne? I want to prove that, or it's possible, so that people can understand. Tomorrow when they go to class, they would say, yeah, I learned or sine 90 minus theta is going to be equals to cos theta. So let's try and calculate the value of a in terms of whatever that we are having there. What concept are we going to use in order for us to calculate the value of a? You can just write in G, or you can just write the reason. What can we do? What can we do in order for us to calculate for the value of A? Who can tell me? I'm looking for the value of A now. Please follow. Don't forget to follow, like, share, and follow. And yeah, then my YouTube handle is on my bio. Everything is on my bio. Thank you very much. We are using the sum of angles. The sum of angles in a triangle. Yes, the sum of angles in a triangle. So we are going to say angle A plus angle B plus angle C is going to be equals to 180. Reason, the sum of angles in a triangle is going to be equals to 180 degrees, right? Sum of angles in a triangle is equals to 180 degrees. This is the simplest way of writing the reason. So obviously the A we don't have, but we have the value of B, which is theta, and our C is going to be equals to 90 degrees, which is going to be equals to 180 degrees. Then obviously, in order for us to determine the value of A, we have to distribute everything to the right so that everything should change the sign. Eh? Then what are we going to have? We are going to have the value of A being what? 180 minus 90 minus theta. 180 minus 90 is going to be 90 minus theta. This is what we are going to have as our value of A. Thank you very much. Ne? Those who got this answer, it means you're all on the right track. Congratulations. You're all on the right track. Ne? So now I'm going to indicate this angle of A being 90 degrees minus theta. So we all clear in this part. Can I have the thumbs up? 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 Can I have the thumbs up if we all clear on this part? Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Please like, share, and follow. Please tap the screen, like, share, and follow. I promise you, this lesson, it will be productive for you. This lesson is going to be productive for you. So now, since we are having this being that, I'm just going to simply wipe off here. Let's wipe off. So now, since we are having this guy being 90 minus theta, I want to prove, now we are proving that sine 90 minus theta is going to be equals to cos theta, and our A is being that. Now I want to prove, indeed, sine 90 minus theta is going to be equals to cos theta. So what am I looking for now? What is my cos theta equivalent to in terms of x, y, and z? X, y, and r? What is my cos theta equivalent to? Please follow, guys. Please follow the creator, guys. Please follow the creator. What is cos theta equivalent to? Can I get a confirmation? Thanks, Spiwe. Can I get a confirmation? Thank you very much. It's going to be x over r. So now let's shift our focus and put it here now on 90 minus theta. So what is my sine 90 minus theta equivalent to? What is my sine 90 minus theta equivalent to? Thank you. Can I get a confirmation? Can I get a yes, thank you very much. You can see what my sine 90 minus theta is going to be equivalent to x over r. So you see what both of these things, both of these things, they are both equivalent to x over r. So now we can conclude, okay, therefore since sine 90 minus theta is equals to, and cos theta, they Okay, since 90 minus theta and cos theta equals to x over r, therefore sine 90 degrees minus theta is going to be equals to cos theta. Reason they're both equals to x over r. I just proved the identity. Can I have the thumbs up? Am I wrong? If I'm right, thumbs up. Now we are clear on this part. How is these equal to each other? Thank you very much, Spiwe. Thank you for the gift, my friend. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. We are clear on this part, right? I just proved why sine 90 minus theta is going to be equals to cos theta, because they are both equals to x over r. So what do we call these trig ratios? They are complementary to each other. Obviously, these angles, they are complementary angles, right? They are complementary angles. So I just wanted to clear the air on this one. Yeah. Maths is fun. Maths is a game. Maths is fun, huh? Maths is fun. And maths need patience. Doesn't mean whenever you struggle today, tomorrow you'll face the same struggle. If you struggle today, the struggle becomes less tomorrow. Ne? You shouldn't. Be patient with yourself. Be patient with yourself and make sure that you get everything correct. And if you are struggling, you accept. Then you look for help to other people so that they can guide you. The point is not to be better than anyone else. Ne? The point is to master what is needed to be mastered so that we can all pass matric with the required mark. Ne? So similarly, we can do the same thing with sine. What is sine theta equivalent to relative to our diagram there? What is sine theta equivalent to? What is sine theta equivalent to relative to x, y, and r? Okay, can I get a confirmation? Thanks, Mutlu. Can I get a confirmation? Thank you very much. It means it's indeed y over r. So what is our cos 90 degrees minus theta equivalent to? Shift your focus from this angle and now focus on this angle. And I'm looking for the cos of this angle. What is the cos of this angle? What is the cos of this angle? What is the cos of this angle? Relative to x, y, and r. It's going to be y over r. Thank you very much, guys. Ne? This is going to be y over r. So since they are both equals to y over r, then therefore sine theta is going to be equals to cos 90 minus theta. Now we have both of these identities existing. Ne? Existing. Both of the identities, they are existing. Ne? Ne? They're both existing. Ne? They are both existing. So I just wanted to clear the air with on this part. So now let's get to the plan. Let's get to the business of the day now. It's 11 o'clock. We only have an hour. We only have the hour. Let's get to the business of the day. I was emphasizing this because of these kinds of these questions, ne? The kind of these questions. And you should notice 180 plus theta, only tan is positive, sine is negative, and cos is negative. 360 minus theta, cos is negative. Cos is positive, I mean. Sine is negative, tan is negative. All trig ratios are positive. All trig ratios are positive. All of them. Trig ratios are positive. Sine is positive. Students, sine is positive. students. Sign is positive in the second quadrant. Tan, the tan we take, guys, ne? The tan we take, the tan is going to be positive on the third quadrant, and the cos is going to be positive on the fourth quadrant. Then I believe that we cleared the air. Now we're on the same page. Now let's look for the question. Topic. It's going to be trig. Yes. There's no such thing as trigonometry is going to be difficult. So our first question of the day is going to be 2 cos 90 degrees minus x multiplied by cos 360 degrees minus x, all divided by sine 180 degrees minus x plus x, sorry, ne? Multiplied by cos 180 degrees minus x, guys, ne? So now we are going to try and solve this equation. So we are going to do this equation together, looking at the cast diagram, ne? We are going to look for the cast. We are going to look at this question based on our cast diagram. Our cast diagram. Yeah? Our cast diagram, guys. Ne? So let's look. Where is, okay, without looking at the cast diagram, ne? Let's just estimate with our minds. Ne? Where is our 90 minus theta? On which quadrant is going to be our 90 minus theta? My 90 minus x, on which quadrant, ne? I'm just going to break this down into its smallest pieces, ne? I'm going to break this guy into its smallest pieces. I'm going to start with 90 minus theta minus x. Is this guy is on the which quadrant, ne? Don't mind the language, don't mind the language. It's on which quadrant? It's going to be the first, right? And whenever we see 90, we have to think of the cos changing into sine. We have to think about the cos changing into sine, and we have to think about the cos being inside the dark triangle. Complementary angles, ne? 90 minus theta is inside this complementary angles. It's inside this triangle, ne? 90 minus theta, cos will change into sine. Think about that, ne? We just did that, we just proved that. So this one is going to be on the first. I'm going to break this guy into pieces, just like maybe your father when he's reprimanding you. I'm gonna break you into pieces. Yeah, we are going to break this guy into pieces. We are going to leave any stone unturned, ne? Thanks for the follow, guys. Thanks for the follow. Please like, share, and follow. Share. Can I get 10k, guys? Ne? Can I get 10k? And we are rushing nowhere. Ne? Don't worry. We are rushing nowhere. Ne? Then first quadrant. So let's focus on 360 minus theta. So where is 360 minus theta according to our Cartesian plane? Where is our 360 minus theta? Minus theta. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Can I get a confirmation? Can I get a confirmation? Is this on the first quadrant? First quadrant. Is this on the first quadrant, guys? I'm asking you. Is this on the first quadrant? First. This one, first. People are scared to answer. People are scared to answer. Thank you very much. This one is on the fourth quadrant, ne? It's on the fourth quadrant. And let's see what else are we having. We are having 180 degrees minus theta plus theta. Yeah. Is this on the second? Is this on the second? Ne? Second, ne? Second. Oh, it's on the second quadrant. Thank you very much. It's on the third quadrant. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Ne? Me, I'm just throwing people on the bush. Don't mind what I'm saying. I just need correct answers from you. Ne? but I won't write wrong answers. So let's talk about this one. 180 degrees minus theta. Is this on the first quadrant? Is this on the first quadrant? First quadrant, yeah. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. It's going to be second. It's going to be second quadrant. Ne? Now, let's break this guy into pieces. Like it's like your kid came late from home while you told him, Hore, come back at 6 o'clock. Now he came at 9 o'clock. Break that kid into pieces. So, yeah. So, 90 minus theta, he is covered by the cos. Ne? He's covered by the cos. And how is cos on the first quadrant? How is cos on the first quadrant? How is cos on the first quadrant? Come on, guys. Come on. Is it negative? Negative. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Remember, all trig ratios on the first quadrant, they are positive. Ne, guys? All trig ratios on the first quadrant, they are positive. Ne, guys? Keep that in mind. So, no, cos is positive. Ne? Then let's watch this one. Asker, this one is on the fourth quadrant and it's covered by who? The cos again. This one is covered by the cos again. So let's see. How is cos on the fourth quadrant? Is it negative? I'm hiding the cast diagram. I want you to think about it. Is it negative? Negative. Okay, thank you very much. I see a lot of positive. Ne? It's positive. Ne? Positive. Thank you very much. It's going to be positive. You see, I'm breaking this into its smallest pieces, guys. We are breaking this guy. There's no way we can fail trigonometry after this life. So let's talk about 180 plus theta. Third quadrant is covered by who? Sine. Ne? It's covered by who? Sine. I'm just giving you a few minutes to watch this. Tan. We have T on the third quadrant and we have C, A, S, T, C. Right? People, they are quick to answer. Okay, it's fine. Sine is going to be negative. Sine is negative. Thank you. And this one is covered by who? It's covered by cos. Ne? It's covered by cos. Ne? So how is our cos in the second quadrant? Huh? How is our cos in the second quadrant? It's going to be negative. It's 11 and 12, my brother. If you are in 11, if you are at 12, you are welcome to join this live. So it's going to be negative. Thank you very much. Sine is negative. Ne? Now, thank you very much, guys, for giving us these details. So since we've broken this guy into pieces, let's go back to our cast diagram, ne? And compare our answers and clear the air. We are clearing the air now. We are going to do this bit by bit. Ne? Let's clear the air. Let's clear the air. We see where we have our cos 90 minus theta. So on 90 minus theta, we have all the trig ratios to be positive. Ne? Now we are going to reduce this 90 minus theta into its smallest angle, right? So how are we going to reduce this 90 minus theta? So I'm going to start with 90 minus x is covered by cos and it's positive. Ne? 90 minus x covered by cos, it's positive. Say you were supposed to say cos is negative in the second quadrant. What do you mean? Like, what do you mean? Cos is covered by what? Cos is covered by what? Watch here. Focus, guys. Focus here. Focus. This is the equation this is an expression that I'm focusing on. Oh, guys, okay, let me ask my people. Ne? Let's clear the air. Is everything look good here? If it looks good, can I have the thumbs up? If it doesn't, just say stop. Everything looks good. Everything looks good. Okay, the majority says it looks good, so we are continuing. We are continuing. Thank you very much. So now we are having that, ne? We want to reduce. We are reducing now. We are reducing. And as we are reducing, we are going to reduce into their smallest angle. Now we are going to say or cos 90 degrees minus theta. And this is an identity itself. What is this going to be? This is an identity. I just did it now, a few minutes back. What is this going to be equivalent to? What is this going to be? Thank you very much. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I can see your people who are focusing. I can see them. And I see people who are that just, guys, please avoid crying emojis. Please avoid crying emojis. My moderator, please try to mute these comments with crying emojis, because hey, I'll get in trouble. Yes, thank you, thank you, thank you. Don't worry, you're sorry, it's been accepted, my friend, and we are welcomed to the live, ne? It's like they will think I'm robbing you. You know, people that are crying over their money. It's like TikTok, it functions somehow nowadays. I'm not understanding. So if we get a lot of crying emojis, they tend to warn, and they tend to warn their account. They tend to block whatever. I don't know actually, but they tend to do those tendencies. But yeah. So let's continue. Cos 180 minus theta. Oh, sorry. Yes. Thank you. People are there saying it. Yeah, I wrote sine and here it's cos, ne? Here it's cos, but I said it. But I said it's negative though. But it's cos. Thank you very much. Which means I said, it's cos, and I wrote sine, and I said it's cos is negative. Thank you. Yo, you saw it, Shem. You saw it. You have a bright future, my dear. So it's fine. Let's focus on the. Thank you very much. Let's. We are done with this one. This one is an identity itself. Let's move to this one now. We got the information written like that. So now let's go to cos 360 degrees minus theta. According to the information we get on the top there, how is this going to be? Theta, I mean, not x, theta. It's fine. Theta in x is fine. Theta in x is fine. You can represent your theta as act or as 0. Ne? You can say cos 0 or as act. And like, let's use act. Let's represent our theta as act so that you can answer very well. How is this going to be? Since our cos 360 minus theta on the fourth quadrant is positive, how can we write this? Let's help each other. How can we write this? We are doing a list. Ne? We are doing a list. Yes, can I get a confirmation? 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 Another one. Can I get a confirmation? Thank you very much. It's going to be cos theta. Ne? Thank you very much. Thank you very much. So let's move to this one of sine 80. Yo. Join, follow. Thank you. It's a pleasure if you are getting helped, ne? Thank you very much. Let's do this one. Sine 180 degrees plus theta. Guys, ne, theta is x-ish because I didn't want to scratch and start over, ne? But theta, it's similar to x, ne? Like it's the same thing. Ne? It's fine. So someone is saying, it's negative sine theta, ne? Can I get a confirmation? Get a confirmation? Get a confirmation? We are the sine 180 plus theta is going to be what? Okay. Negative. Is it negative? Okay, can I get 5 more? Confirmation? Yes. Moderator, can please assist Petunia to subscribe, and please subscribe on my YouTube channel, guys, because I'm going to post this live on my YouTube. Ne? After this, I'm going to post this live on my YouTube. Yes, thank you very much. Ne? Negative sine theta, guys. Ne? Now let's move to cos 180 minus theta, and let's see how are we going to write it. 180 minus theta is going to be equals to what? Yes, because it's only positive on the first quadrant. Yes. Gotta get a confirmation. Yeah. Gotta get a confirmation. Thank you very much. Ne? Okay, we are going to verify. I see you, Spiwe. We are going to verify. You have a right. If you want to do it once, you can do it once, and don't be afraid to post the answer. We are still going to verify, all of us. Ne? Use the cast diagram. It's easy. Use the cast diagram, bro. Thanks for joining the live. You just expose yourself that you just joined the live now, my friend. But thanks for joining the live. Here's the cast diagram. We are using it. Thank you. So here is going to be negative cos theta. Ne? Now, thank you very much for joining, my friend. Now we have our list. We have our list being that, and we have our 90 minus theta, our 360 minus theta, cos theta, and we have our list. So now, after having this list, guys, I told you how this guy came late. Yes, sine 180 plus theta is on the third quadrant, and the sign is negative, so you simplified it because it became sine. Yes, thank you very much. Yes, that's a better explanation. Sine is going to be negative on the third quadrant. Like, let's go back to our cast diagram. Ne? On our third quadrant, we have only tan being positive. Ne? So now we don't have tan here. So what I will do, I will just ask a very simple question. What is going to be our tan 180 degrees plus theta equivalent to, so that we can confirm to those who need confirmation? Can I get this one quickly before we move on? Can I get this one quickly before we move on? Can I get this one? After we move. Yes. Get a confirmation. Get a confirmation. Yes. Thank you very much. So yeah. So it's going to be tan theta. Why? On our cast diagram, tan is going to be positive. Ne? Tan is going to be positive. Tan is the only trig ratio that is going to be positive on the third quadrant. Ne? Is going to be positive on the third quadrant. So let's continue. Let's go back to our order. Let's go back to our order of us writing the equation. Ne? I'm not saying when you come across this thing, you should do this list. Ne? Doesn't mean you have to do this list. No, I was just showing you how are these derived. They are derived from the cast diagram. Then everything is derived from the cast diagram, is written relative to the cast diagram. So now let's go back to the order of the list. So we are going to substitute easy. 90 minus theta is going to be that is going to be that is going to be that is going to be that. So whenever I see cos 90 minus theta, I'm just going to say 2 is constant, and it's going to be cos, no, not cos, man. 2 cos 90 minus theta is changing into sine x, ne? Because I told you the x and theta, they are more or less, and like that, the same, because they represent the angles, ne? Please like, share, and follow. Then sine theta, then I say multiplied by cos 90 minus theta. And now I'm following the order of the equation that I'm given. Again, I'm following the order. So I'm going to have cos 360 minus theta multiplied by cos 360 minus theta is going to be equivalent to what? I'm looking for the list. Okay, 360 minus theta is going to be cos theta, because on the fourth quadrant, cos is positive. Fourth quadrant, cos is positive. So obviously I'm going to have 360 is going to be cos theta x, or mean. Then what am I going to have? Okay, I'm done with the 2. I'm going to have all that divided by sine 180 minus theta is going to be negative sine theta. Let's go back to our list. 180 plus theta. 180 plus theta is on the third quadrant, and sine is positive. Negative, sorry. Sine is negative on the third quadrant. So obviously I'm going to have negative sine x. So again, I'm going to have cos 180 minus theta. What is cos 180 minus theta? Is going to be equivalent to cos theta. Let's look at our list. 180 minus theta is on the second quadrant and is covered by cos, and cos is negative on where? On the second quadrant. So that's why we are having negative cos x, right? Then all that is going to be equals to positive. Negative times negative is going to be positive, obviously. Then these ones, obviously, I'm just going to have what you call, okay, I'm just going to have 2 sine x multiplied by cos x, all divided by that, and that multiplying each other is going to be sine x multiplied by cos x. That and that and that and that, they are going to cancel out. Ne? They are going to cancel out. Then my answer is going to be left is going to be 2. Is there anything wrong? Can I get a yes or no? And can I get my thumbs up and my follows? Come on, guys. Thank you very much. Is there anything wrong? No? Thumbs up? Yes? If you have a question, ask. Huh? Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Can I get a thumbs up? Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Yeah. So let's move to our next question. Let's move to our next question. Okay. Let's move to our next question. Well presented. Is it well presented? Are you helped? Is it well presented? Are you helped? Did you benefit? Are you happy? Huh? Are you happy, guys? These people, they are not